Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place. Float on air.
Hi my loves, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make this special occasion unique braided hairstyle. So we'll begin with making a parting, of course, and then you want to grab all our hair into a low ponytail. Then you want to select small section from one side like I'm showing and repeat the same section on the other side of the ponytail as well. And then grabbing the rest of our hair, we want to make a ponytail like I'm showing here. Now you want to grab a small tiny piece from the ponytail, wrap it around the elastic and pin it underneath to cover the elastic. Then we want to divide our ponytail into two equal sections. Grab a small tiny piece from one side, divide it into two, and then grab a small section of hair from the section left like I'm showing and begin a simple French braid. Then we want to add hair from both the ponytail and our section as well as we are braiding. So we grab a small section of hair, incorporate into the braid, and then grab another small section from the ponytail and incorporate it into the braid. So you want to repeat these steps over and over again and still braiding all our hair from the ponytail section and the section left. And you want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid, and you want to pin it, preventing it from unraveling. And then you want to repeat this braid on other side of the ponytail with sections left. Then grabbing the ends of the braid, we want to braid them both together, creating a bigger 3-strand braid. Tie the ends using a clear elastic. On last time, make sure to pull it only halfway through, roll it up underneath created bun and pin it in place using several bobby pins. You want to use some hairspray to fix it in place. Pull a little bit the hair on the ground to make it looser looking, and they're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this unique braided hairstyle. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!